Welcome to DOZZY'S Life. On the menu today will be banana pudding. The first thing that you want to do is put your sugar, your flour, and your salt. Y'all want to put it all into a double boiler and just stir that up. Make sure that flour, salt, and sugar gets well combined. Go ahead and pour your milk in there, and we're also going to add in our egg yolks. Okay, so just going ahead and pour all of those in there and just stir them before it starts getting warm. Make for sure it is not warm at all. You do not want cooked egg yolks in your banana pudding. And then you get your bananas, you go ahead and take that hull off, you go ahead and lay them out, and you slice them babies as thick as you like them. Now the pudding is ready. I'm gonna show you how to test it. Run your spoon there or run your finger over the spoon. If it holds, you good. Go on ahead and put your vanilla extract in. Once you take it off the fire, throw them bananas in there and just mix them bananas in there. Yes, it's hot, but it is fine. Do you hear me? It's fine. Go on ahead and put some of them cookies down first. Put that pudding on top. Woo! Custard pudding, baby, the best. Spread it out a little bit. Go on ahead and do another layer of them cookies, crumbs and all. Yes, ma'am. Put all of that in there and layer it again with that delicious custard banana pudding. After you do all that, the only thing you got to do is put cookies on top if you like. If you don't want to, hey, don't put it. Now, y'all go on ahead and subscribe and give me a good old like if this helps you. Enjoy your custard old school banana pudding. All right, y'all. Until the next video. Bye.